Hey guys, this video is to show you how to do the last part of this project titled That's Sick. This is for number 5, titled Solution Part 1, 2, and 3. To complete this assignment, you are actually going to need to open up the 3 previous spreadsheets that you did in my class. So you will need to go to assignment number 2, click on it, and open up your spreadsheet. Go back, open up the 3rd spreadsheet, this number 3 spreadsheet right here, the patient interview. And then you also need to open up your number 4 spreadsheet. So ideally, all of these spreadsheets should be done. Mine aren't because this is just a teacher copy, but all of these should be done and you should have them all submitted to me before you start number 5. So number 5, if you read the directions, it tells you right here, it is due Tuesday, March 31st. You will need number 2, number 3, number 4 spreadsheets to answer some of these questions. I have them open right here. You're then going to move on to solution part 1 and 2. So solution part 1 and 2 are right here. Is going to ask you specific questions. And you answer the questions by looking at your 3 spreadsheets. So right here, on the patient interview spreadsheet, did all the patients who were ill have a fever? The answer is yes. Cross out all the illnesses below that fever is not a symptom. All the patients did have a fever. And I found that out by looking at this right here. Excuse me, at this right here. All of them had a fever. So then I come back here and I'm going to scroll down and cross out all the illnesses that do not have a fever because we know the illness is associated with the fever. You will go through and follow those questions. Then you'll come right here to solution part 2, follow those, and then submit this assignment. Move on to solution part 3 and answer these different questions. I've answered some of them for you. By the time you get to the bottom, you should know what the epidemic is and what people spread it and what food spread it. When you're done with this assignment, please submit it also. Now I know this assignment can be kind of tricky, so if you need to, please email me. I've uploaded this Google Doc also. It will help you answer some of the questions. Please let me know if you have any questions.